Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips that if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Lenovo Tab Yoga 11. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just simply restarts. So we have to open the top menu, hold the finger on the Bluetooth, and now just go to the connection preferences and choose Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it again to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button and choose restart. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. In the most gadgets you have to enable Appear mode, and how to activate Appear mode you will find the manual to your device on my YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for 3 seconds for example, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the Appear mode but you still don't have it on your Bluetooth list on the tablet, you can also go to the settings and slide down to the system. Now look for the reset options, and how you can see there you have a network, so with Bluetooth included. So tap on the reset settings, configure a pattern, and tap on the reset settings again, then look for your device. After that you can also try to update your system. How to do it? Go to the system and look for the system update. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.